Good morning, everybody. Happy Monday. Checking in with you again. Today is day one of our distance learning. So I wanted to explain how we're going to set everything up. I sent you an email as well, which probably took you here to Google Classroom to watch this video. I'll have a slide that I post each day with that day's assignments. And it'll be a slightly different format each day. Today feels a little bit like the first day of school all over again, so I want us to just kind of get reconnected, get acclimated again. The first thing that you see in Google Classroom is the question that I posted for you today. I'd like you to answer this question: what's good in your world? I know everything is not great in our worlds right now, but let's try to find something positive to focus on and share it with our class today. Mine is I saw an idea on Facebook, I guess last week, and shared it with my neighborhood to put a teddy bear or some kind of little stuffed animal on in our windows here in our houses in the neighborhood. And now kids who live here are going around on a bear hunt. So that's been kind of fun to see people participating in that and coming together in that way. After you post what's good in your world, if you'll read your classmates and respond to one or two of those so that we can reconnect with each other this way. I want you this week, if you haven't already, to choose a novel that you want to read or want to continue reading. I hate that we didn't get to check out library books, or I didn't get to give you a book choice from my classroom set. But I have on this slide given you all of these links to the different places that you can look for online books if you don't have something at home already that you want to read. When you have decided, or if you're already reading something right now, if you're in the middle, if you'll click on this link here and share your choice with the author and the format that you're reading it in, whether it's ebook or a print book, or even if you find an audiobook, you can use that too. If you're having trouble finding something, make sure that you send me a message and let me know what you wanted to read next, which things you have enjoyed reading this year so far or in the past, and I'll try to help you figure out a good choice. And then I want to do a little bit of notebook writing today. So right before our closure, we read George Orwell's Why I Write. And he gave 4 main reasons for why he writes. He said sheer egoism, aesthetic enthusiasm, historical impulse, and political purpose were his 4 reasons. And then he gave a little paragraph explanation of each one of those. So I want us to do that same thing today. And here's my example. And I went ahead and wrote it in my notebook. I don't know if you brought your notebook home or not. So if you did, you can go ahead and write it there. I might get you to send me a picture of what you write in your notebook, or you can just do it in a Google Doc if you would rather. Either way works for you. So the one that I'm writing is Why I Bake. And so far, here are my 4 reasons. Baking calms me. It's kind of weird. If I've had a stressful day, I can come home and get in my kitchen and bake something, and it really relaxes me. I like baking because it's making something that other people can enjoy with me and appreciate. I also bake because I feel like it connects me with my family, um, my grandparents and my parents, and also my children. And so those family traditions through baking are important to me. And number 4, I like to eat. I love to eat actually. Um, and right now I've had a little bit more time to do some baking. And so kind of perfect timing. I'm going to go back and write these paragraph explanations of each one of my 4 reasons. So I want you to do the same thing. Also, I am going to set up office hours during our distance learning. So pre-AP10 office hours will be Tuesdays from 2 o'clock until 2:50 and Thursdays from 11 o'clock in the morning until 11:50. So I'll have a Zoom meeting open during these hours so that you can just check in, or you can ask questions if you have them, or you just want to see somebody's face for a change. So I'll send you the link to those soon. Again, reach out to me if you have any questions. Um, join my Remind group if you didn't, because that's a quick, easy way to reach out and ask questions too. I hope you have a great Monday. I look forward to getting reconnected with you.